Ready? Rave Gaurachandraya Radhikaya Stadale Krishnaya Krishna Bhaktaya Tadabhaktaya Namaha Shri Krishna Chaitanya Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasari Gaur Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare. All glories to Sri Guru and Gauranga. All glories to Hare Krishna Mahamantra Sankirtan. All glories to Guru Parampara. All glories to assembled devotees. Let me check the questions. Damodar Prabhu from Punjab sent me some. I am indebted for your guidance until death. I have a below question. Should a preacher compromise on standards set by Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, like reducing the number of rounds to 4 or 8 or 16 only due to being afraid that people will run away by knowing that they will have to chant 64 rounds? And because of that, I would not be able to get fund from people to run my center. This is a practical question. Who asked this question? Really practical question. I don't know. Maybe Vaishnava have mercy and they are thinking something is better than nothing. Means better is 64. If they are not able to follow 64, at least how much? I think in that way, Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj, Swami Goswami Maharaj, he established 16 rounds. But it is a minimum, not like a maximum. Maximum always, I think, there is no limit. And 4-8, actually Acharya's feeling, I don't know. What they're feeling, I don't know. Maybe they are feeling what you write. Maybe they are feeling at least let them follow principles. Vegetarianism, offering food, and chant as much as you can. 4, 8, 16. What is the Acharya's mood? I don't know. Maybe merciful. What I explained before, something is better than nothing. Maybe that is their way of thinking. One more question. There is no name. I don't know who is the. Hare Krishna Dandavat Pranam to Sri. Question is, I have seen a lot of the people involving in chanting during Harikatha. I hear from your session that just Harikatha will remove darkness from heart, and similarly chanting will remove all dust from heart. All dirt from heart, okay. So, how people can chant and listen Harikatha at the same time? Is it more powerful to remove dust data. From heart, if one chant during Harikatha, or is there any offense during chanting during Harikatha? And please guide me. First of all, Srila Prabhupada doesn't allow. Prabhupada means Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur doesn't allow Harikatha during Harikatha time to chant. But nowadays, most of the devotees, they are also watching mundane television program and also chanting. Maybe they have some skill to both way keeping attention. If they have such tendency, but such skill, then it is okay. But usually Prabhupada doesn't allow. Prabhupada always teaching us, Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta teaching us, always concentrate. Harikatha, time always concentrate Harikatha. Concentrate. Even sometime I heard from my spiritual master, during Prabhupada's Harikatha, in his private room, when devotees are leaving for attending Shandha Arati or Shandhanik, means chanting Gayatri, Prabhupada used to say, so much Harikatha going on, still you are not able to, still you want to chant Gayatri. That I heard from my spiritual master. So in that teachings by Srila Prabhupada, how can I say it is applicable? Based on, according to the devotee's skill, if they are able to keep attention both ways, they may chant. That much I can say. But if really you want to follow Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur, never. Never ever Prabhupada allow. Prabhupada always says that Harikatha should listen attentively. It's Sravana, part of Sravan. Sravan also part of one limb of devotion, which limb of devotion can deliver us from our present material attachment and give us pain. If you have no time to listen Harikatha and chanting, such an engagement you have, you may listen some glories of Radha Krishna's pastimes and chant. In that way you can do. This is my explanation. Not like someone just speaking how he went to Europe, how the devotee nicely received him. Such type of katha when going on, that time if we chant Harinam, it is not connected to Katha. I think you understand what I want to say. So text number 135, I think. Satchidananda Tanu Brajendra Nandan Sarvai Sarja Sarva Shakti Sarva Rasha Purna Satchidananda Tanu. Yesterday I said little bit heavy manner, little bit heavy, because since my childhood I heard Krishna went back to his abode, Mahaprabhu went back to his abode, because their body is not like a material body, their body is like a Chinmaya, transcendental. Soul never ever died. The body like soul. So when someone aggressively, whimsically using such dialogue, Mahaprabhu and Krishna killed. That is like one heavy arrow, like a Brahmastra coming to my heart. This is attacking to my heart. So, in that way, I was a little bit heavy, but we should be heavy. If someone disrespecting, misrepresenting my worshipful God, we should not just simply listening their so-called logic. We should be like a lion and cut their logic and make them understand. Intellectualism. They are speaking from so-called PhD degree, who compose some thesis on the base of Krishna, on the base of Lord Chaitanya, and so-called professors. They have no any realization about Krishna and Chaitanya. They are giving them certificate, PhD. I think they are perfect foolish department. Because hellish department, PhD. It is not proper to say, but if someone who is controller, maintainer, Krishna, maintainer of entire universe, Krishna, if someone pass their remarks like that, and to whom I feel he is my worshipful deities, worshipful God, I have to say something. If you feel, if someone is representing our philosophy, our worshipful God, Krishna, you also do that, same thing. It is not like a fanaticism. It is establishing proper truth and hiding or surfacing or not surfacing, damaging the illogic, which is no meaning. The logic have no meaning. Just like a book, someone writing as his thesis, as their thesis, submit university, professor gave them certificate. This is not like our Vasudev is real professor. Our all previous teachers, they are real professors. They wrote by the realization. So anyway, therefore, Satchidananda Tanu, Sat-Chit Ananda. Sat means eternal. Eternal means never die. Chit means Chinmoy, not material, anything not material. Ananda means blissful. Tanu means body. Satchidananda Tanu, that body. Brajendrananda, Krishna. Sarvaishacya Sarvashakti Sarvarasapurna. Sarvaishacya, all opulence. Sarvo Shakti, absolute potency. Sarvo Rasa, all mellows. Therefore he say, Akhila Rasamrita Murti Krishna. All mellows, because condensed form is Krishna. All type of rasa is there. So, Brahma Samhita, 5th chapter, 1st sloka. Ishvarat Parama Krishna Satchidananda Vigraha Anadiradi Govinda Sarvakarana Karanam. Ishvara, that same thing, that is Sanskrit form. Brahma says that is Ishvara. I think all of you know that. Ishvara Parama Krishna, Paramashar Krishna. Supreme Personality of Godhead is Krishna. He is Satchidananda Vigraha. Tanu, before we say Tanu, Vadi is a Vigraha. Same. Anadir Adi Govinda. Adir Adi Anadi. Anadir Adi. Means before creation, after devastation, at present, always he exists. Sarva Karana Karanam means cause of the causes. So we have to accept He is our Supreme Lord, He is our goal of worship, no one can kill Him, His desire, according to His desire, He can go back to His abode with His full body, no one throw Him in ocean, so we have to believe, we have to accept it, what Vasudev wrote. Vrindavane aprakito nobina madan Kam Gayatri Kam Vijay Jarupasan Purush Joshit Kiva Sthavara Jangam Sarva Chitra Karshak Shakshat Manmatho Madan Vrindavane aprakito. Prakita means material. Aprakita means which is not material, transcendent. Where? In Vrindavana. Who? Nobina Madan. Novin means young, Madan means who is taking everybody's mind. Madan. Who is this? Krishna. Krishna attracting by beautiful form. Rupena Kunena Lilaya Cha. Rup, beautiful form. Gun, beautiful quality. Lila pastimes. Lilang pastimes. Who manifest and attract everyone's heart, mind, consciousness. Now, who is feeling attraction? Who is really free from all dirt? Who is dirt? Again I am telling you. Name, fame, recognition, material worship, such type of desire, free from all desire. And who has lots of devotees' mercy, only they can feel attraction. So anyway, Nabina Madam, Nitto Nabu Nabayaman. Krishna never become old. Nowadays, our tendency we can see if someone do some miracle like a miracle mantra, chanting, showing something, and we just telling them, oh, he is a god. But Krishna showing miracle to lift up Govardhan hill. This is not miracle for them. Krishna is like a ordinary one. This is foolishness. Anyway, Vrindavane aprakita navina madan. Krishna eternally fixed age. 15 years, 2 months, 15 days. Fixed. Never old. Was totally 125 years he manifests pastime here in this material world with this Krishna form. But still, his age has been fixed. Kam Gayatri, Kam Bija, Jarupashan. Kam Gayatri, Kam Bij. Who has second initiation, they may have that Kam-Gayatri Kam-Bij. They may have some understanding about the inner feeling and meaning of this Kam-Gayatri Kam-Bij. Kam-Gayatri Bij, Kam-Bij, it is like a Radha embracing Krishna, Radha kissing Krishna. It is not like a material way. Prema Rupaya, how we should be submissive. Radharani is Acharya. She is Krishna herself. She is Krishna. Left side of Krishna's body, Radha appear. Left side, there is a word, lance of heart. So she is the heart of Krishna. If the left side heart, everybody has, then she is the heart of Krishna. Krishna himself manifesting. First time by his own. Don't think it's a female. So, such type of feelings when appear in our heart without material understanding, then we can say, I am eligible to. I am eligible, or we are eligible to chant Kam-Bij Kam-Gayatri constantly, and then you can feel that. If you have so much anger, so much lusty desire, you may not feel anything. Maybe one day you are going to realize it. If you continue it 10 times or 12 times every day. But if you have feeling that no material attachment, then you feel inspiration to chant such mantra and that theme, what is going on in hidden place in Golok Vrindavan, hidden pastimes, it will reveal to your heart and during our chanting. Radha Lingita Vigraha, Radha Chumbita Vigraha, all pastimes is a Kam-Bij. So we have to enter to the pastime gradual process. Naam, Roop, Gom, then Lila. Naam means when you are chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare, this is sadhana. Cleanse our dirt of our heart. Then Kam-Bij. Then appear beautiful form, Roop. The holy name, Hare Krishna Mahamantra's beautiful form is Radha Krishna, divine couple form. Now, the gun, quality, how they have laughing affection for their devotee, that gun you can see. Then fourth, Leela, pastimes, Parikar, with their associates. Then we can engage the service, Vaishishta. Naam, Roop, Gun, Leela, Parikar, Vaishishta. The stage. So that is our sadhana in this lifetime. If anyone have the stage of this lila enter Leela with their associates, means Sakhis and Manjaris, then they are not able to involve themselves with any material activities. How much we have attachment, material attachment, that much we are far from that pastimes, that much, that door of eternal abode. So what? Let me read that Bhaktivinoda Thakur what he said in this regard. Text number 137, 138 of Chaitanya Charitamrita. What I explain here. Aprakito nobina madan kam gayatri kam vijay jar upashan. Actually, we have to set up our heart, mind to that pastimes. Then we can be delivered. Purush Joshit Kivas Thavara Yangam Sarvachitta Karshak Shakshata Manmata Madan. That's two texts. Bhaktivinoda Thakur says. Anyway, whatever he said, I am going to read now. But before I am telling you that sometime we may see from Shastra like Rag Padma Chandika Vishnu says, we have to take bath in Gopi's then we can be delivered. But Prabhupada Bhaktisiddhanta Thakur, my Prabhupada, Srila Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur, he said in one of his article name is Siddho Deho, eternal form or spiritual perfection form, whatever you say. He clearly explained in this lifetime. In this lifetime we can deliver. How? How is it possible? Prabhupada says, if you follow my instruction. What instruction he gave us? Chanting. What instruction he gave us? Without offense chanting. How to reach to that destiny without offense chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra. So, under the shelter of pure devotee, to whom called Shuddha Bhakta, Shuddha Vaishnava, pure devotee. Under their shelter, under their guidance, when we are chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra, gradually it reveals. It's someone, nowadays, Prabhupada says, nowadays, few people, the Guru is giving the Ekadas Bhav, 11 type of more. Like Prabhupada says, that is like a fake. It is true also. Which Guru give you this Ekadas Bhav? You just tell him, after 6 months or 1 year, I lost my paper. Tell him that I lost my paper, what you wrote me, my Ekadas Bhav, I forget. Could you please write me again? Then you can see the difference. If it is there giving you with their realization, then it should be same. But it's different. It's happened. It's happened. One of European devotee, I don't like to say the name. He has a great sadhu. He gave him Ekadas Bhav. Even I saw in Ukraine also. A very attentive, he has to do. Now he stopped everything. So, green stage of jackfruit, we cannot sell it with ripe jackfruit, with some heat, beating them and become soft. Green stage of jackfruit very hard. We are hitting, we are beating, and then it becomes soft. You cannot say it's a ripe jackfruit. With this, in Bengali we call echode paka. Echode means green jackfruit. It is very hard. And ripe jackfruit very soft and sweet. When it becomes soft, it is not sweet at all. So, we don't have any tolerance. Still our mind goes for sense gratification desire. How we are able to enter to that abode with such ekadas bhav, eternal form, eternal age, eternal seva, everything eternal. Is it impossible? My spiritual master, therefore, when anyone come with such question, Maharaj, can I Siddho Deho? One day. Siddho Deho. Siddha means boil. In Bengali called boil. Deho means body. Then his Gurudev saw he has too much material attachment. What he is talking about. But again and again, so many different people in 1995 they are coming and asking him about the Siddha Deho. So one day he was not happy in mind and he was chanting. He felt disturbance, such type of people coming here for disturbance. He just turned his face towards the two devotees and asking them, which Siddha? What boil? Boiled potato. Boiled taro means alu siddho. Kochu siddho. Kochu means in Hindi called arbi. Right? And English called taro. So, then he was asking them, Baba, do you have feeling any separation during chanting? You are in material world, out of separation, you are just feeling inside, you are crying, your eyes. Do you have such spontaneous feeling about it? That means we are not eligible to get the Siddha Deho. Anyway, let me read about the commentary of Bhaktivinoda Thakur on the two texts. Chinmaya Dhamaru Vrindavane Sri Krishna Prakritir Otit Abhinava Madana Sarupe Virajman. Chinmaya Dham, transcendental Vrindavan. Chinmaya Dhamaru Vrindavan. Chinmaya means transcendental, for root, form, abode, Vrindavan abode. Sri Krishna, Lord Krishna, Prakritir Otit, beyond of material, Otit, Abhinava Madan, Abhinava means beautiful, Madan Sarupe, form, very attractive, very catchy. You know, a devotee, if they really chant with such way of thinking, such way of thinking, like Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta. His form was such a beautiful. Once one of our Guru Varga Bhakti Kumud Santa Goswami Maharaj, in one of his lecture, someone asked him, how your Gurudev Prabhupada looks like? You are always glorifying Srila Prabhupada. The Guru Varga Bhakti Kumud Santa Goswami Maharaj, first he becomes silent. Then he says, hundreds of beautiful women. If you keep in the middle of that hundreds of beautiful women, if we keep my Prabhupada in the middle, your eyes goes fast to him. That beautiful. So pure devotees, beauty also like that. Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta Thakur, his beautiful form. It looks like, just think about it, his beauty like this, then how Krishna will attract all living beings. His beauty attracting all living beings. So he says, aprakita prakritir otit. Prakriti means material. Otit means beyond the material. What? His body. His body is not material. You see, therefore Brahma says, Sat Chit, eternal Chinmay, means transcendental. Madan Sarva Birajman. Where? Vrindavan. Transcendental Vrindavan. Such a beautiful form. He's attracting everybody's mind. Therefore he become Madan. Everybody become bewildered to meet with him. Meet with him. মদন শব্দে সামান্যত জড় কবি সকল যাহাকে অর্থ করেন তাহা প্রাকৃত জগতে মাংসপিণ্ডের পরস্পর আকর্ষী. You know, this word Madan, Prabhupada said, Madan, Jada Kavi means material poet. How they explain the meaning of Madan is like they are just describing material, flesh, mangsha pinda. When this pinda means one dough of a flesh. That is their explanation. Srila Prabhupada Bhaktivinoda will say, then Mangshapinder Paraspar Akorshi Nitanta Prakito Hyo Kamotattva. Just Kamotattva. This Hyo is not appreciable. Is it ignorable? Ignorable. Jada Kavi. Jada Kavi means material poet. They are writing poem with such materially beautiful girls and boys. They are union. They are explaining like that. Bhaktivinoda will say that Nitanto Prakito means absolutely material. That they are writings. Hyo means it is acceptable, it should be rejected. Material, spiritually it is rejected. Kama tattva, lusty, fulfilling lusty desire, that tattva. জীব সকল জড়ে বদ্ধ হইয়া দেহে আত্মাভিমান করত সেই কামের অধীনতা স্বীকার করিয়া আছে. means all the living beings, but most of the living, Jeev Sakal. Jeev Sakal means who has, most of us, everyone materially attached. So our understanding everything material. So Jeev Sakal, jode baddha, but materially bound. Their mind materially bound, understanding materially bound, intelligence materially bound, everything materially bound. Hoya dehe atmabhiman karato. This body is me. That my designation, I am body, not like a soul. Karato. Sei kamer odhinata shikar kori ache. That lusty desire, in order to fulfill their lusty desire, they are just describing. Jala Kavi means material poet, they are writing poem accordingly. I heard there is a poem, Laila Mochu. Did you hear the name? Very nicely. People are, very nice. But what is nice in material world, how much we feel is nice here, that much dirty in spiritual world. It is perverted. What is rejection there? What things they reject. Material world, they accept it. They accept it. So therefore, we have to be very careful. We have to carefully understand our goal of spiritual practice. Goal of spiritual practice to become free from all attachment. Therefore, our Narottam Thakur, in one of his poems, song, he says, Vishaya Chadiya. Vishaya means sense enjoyment object. Chadiya means living. Material sense enjoyment object. When you become free from that, then our mind will be pure. Then we can think about, we are eligible to think about that pastimes. Always we are thinking that what is my benefit? My benefit, People are thinking, that we have to look after. They are not looking after, there's nowadays why the divorce taking place. Mostly divorce are taking place for fulfilling the sense gratification desire. It's true or not? Fulfilling their sense gratification desire. When there's little bit obstacles, what she wants, he doesn't like, what he wants, she doesn't like, then they go to court. But before, they used to say amongst each other, I love you. What is the love? Love is eternal. Love means prem. And Shastra says, prem nirmal bhasya. Means no dart. Nirmal, no dart. No, mal means dart. Nirmal means no dart. Where? Prem, eternal. Nirmal bhasya. But the prem is breaking. Therefore, Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, the jalo mangsha pinda. Prakrita jagata mangsha pinda. Just like a attachment with this flesh. Right? You understand what to say? This is explained by Bhaktivinoda Thakur here. So, Krishna Sambandha Tattva Janite Parile জীবের অপ্রাকৃত চিন্ময় অবস্থাতে অবস্থিতি হয়। কৃষ্ণ সম্বন্ধ তত্ত্ব, কৃষ্ণ সম্বন্ধ, relation with Krishna. What relation we have with Krishna? Relation means Sambandha. Sambandha Krishna. What Sambandha? What relation? Krishna is our worshipful God and we are Krishna's eternal servant. That relation, when we realize it from the bottom of our heart, then jiver aprakito chinma avasthata avasthiti hoy. Only that period of time, living entities, when we are able to establish in that aprakito, transcendental, chinmaya, aprakita transcendental abode, we can enter transcendental abode permanently. With this attachment, it is impossible. It is impossible. If something else we lost, we feel depression. Something. Or someone say something. Someone say unpleasant word towards us. We feel angry. That is the symptom. When you feel angry, symptom. We are not ready. So there, chinmaya avasthiti hoy. Sei avastha dui prakar, sarupagoto or vastugoto. Krishna sambandha sarupagoto or vastugoto. তত্ত্ব প্রতীতি হইয়াছে কিন্তু বস্তুত এখনো জড় সম্বন্ধ বিগত হয় নাই। স্বরূপগত means স্বরূপ উপলব্ধি। We made little bit realization about my, like Krishna, our what is our স্বরূপ? জীবের স্বরূপ হয় কৃষ্ণের নিত্যতা। That is, we are eternal servant of Krishna. And vastugato. Vastugato means this. Vastu means what English call means material. Material. Tattva pratiti hoyache. We understand the tattva. Kintu vastuta ekhono jara sambandhe bigoto hoy nai. But in reality, the material attachment not leaving us. এমত অবস্থা চিন্ময় তত্ত্বের কথঞ্চিৎ উদয় হইল স্বরূপত বৃন্দাবনা স্থিতি হয়, কিন্তু বস্তুত হয় না। Means, যে তত্ত্ব প্রতীতি হইয়াছে, we know the truth. Whatever the truth, we know about it. But in reality, material attachment not leaving us. In this situation, himatavasthaya, chinmaya tattver kathonchito swadudaya hoilo. Kathonchit mane tiny bit chinmaya tattva. It may reveal to our heart sarupato bindavana sthita hoy. Means with the what body we have, with some mood, we can come to Vrindavan. But kintu bostu to hoy na. But in reality, it's not happening. This is explained by our Bhaktivinoda Thakur. Don't blame me. Sthula or lingamoy jaratattir sahi. Sthula means material. Lingamoy means gender. Jaratattir sahit Krishna chakrame sambandha gandha rohit hoilei vastuto Vrindavana avasthiti hoy. Sthula means material. Lingamoy means gender. I am, that is proper. Bhaktivinoda Thakur, composed one very nice song. Based on the Rupa Goswami's slok about Sri Krishna Namashtaka. Namo Muni Bindra Geyo Janaranjanayo Paramakshara Kriti Tamana Daradapi Mana Udiritam Nikhila Upapatali Bilumbashi. In this law, Bhaktivinoda composed very nice song. That song, first he says like this: Jaya Jaya Hari Nam Chidananda Mritodham Paratattva Aksharakara Nijajane Kripa Kari Nam Rupe Avatori Jive Daya Korile Aparo. Very nice meaning. That song, very nice meaning. And at the end of the song, it says, Tava salpo purti pai, Tava salpo purti pai, Ugrotapo dure jai, Linga bhango hoyana che. A little bit realization I have. Hare Krishna Mahamantra realization says, Ugra tapo dure jai. Ugra means aggressiveness, depression, which is make our life miseries, put us in misery, different type of. So Ugra tapo dure jai. Kicked. In the holy name, kick all of them out. Linga bhango, gender, and I am male, I am female, that gender is also hoyana, easily we can destroy. This is the most important part, that whatever he said, अच्छा स्थूल लिंग जगत कृष्ण चक्र में संबंधगत रहित हईल वस्तुत वृंदावन अवस्थित है स्वरूप अच्छा फर्स्ट ही सेज कि वृंदावन स्थिति है किंतु वस्तु तो है ना ये स्वरूपगत स्थूलगत माने स्वरूपगत माने just some little bit theoretically. Best word, theoretically, but practically, no realization. Then we can come. There are many devotees here. Do you think everyone, they are completely, I think that there are more attachment. If you just break your old house and you make a new, then you can ask Vrindavan Lila, what is their neighbor? Their tendency, who live in Vrindavan, they say, we are Brajavashi. How they are giving you trouble, then you can realize it. Really, what Bhaktivinoda Thakur say, it is truth or wrong. They have lots of attachment. They are not like Krishna Dadaji Maharaj. Never. Landowner says, no, I don't like to move my boundary. Okay, my land also your land, my bricks also your bricks, my sand also yours, my cement also yours. You can take everything. It is not possible. Without any hesitation, just left everything and go. Because who has little bit realization about transcendental abode, that means they are completely free from. Little bit realization, they make them feel like that. No need to attach there anymore. Anyway, so লিঙ্গময় জড়তত্ত্বের সহিত কৃষ্ণ ইচ্ছাক্রমে সম্বন্ধ গন্ধ রহিত হইলেই বস্তুত বৃন্দাবন অবস্থিতি হয়। লিঙ্গময় জড়তত্ত্বের সহিত, জড় মানে materially attachment is there. Lingabhanga means gender, we are not, the gender understanding not living. But Krishna Chakrame, Sambandha Bandha Rohit. Krishna Chakrame, by Krishna's desire, sometime we may come physically in Vrindavan. স্বরূপ অবস্থিতিতে সাধনরা আছে, সেই সময় চিন্ময়ী কাম গায়ত্রী চিন্ময় কাম কৃষ্ণের উপাসনা হইতে থাকে। Come here. If it is really sincere, he says, and chant here, Kam Bij, Kam Gayatri, Chinmayi Kam Gayatri. Kam Gayatri is not like a material few syllable. It is Chinmayi Kam Bij, Kam Gayatri. When transcendental Kam Bij, this Krishna mantra and Kama Gayatri. If we just chanting like instead of 10 or 12, we chant 4 round, 8 round. Then gradually, because Kam Bij, Kam Gayatri, what they are doing? Krishna mantra hote hobe samsara mochon. All our understanding, gender understanding, our attachment, it will pass away. Gender, I am a Stri, female, I am a Purush, male, such type of, it will be passed away. So, Kam Gayatri, Chinmayi Kam Gayatri, Chinmaya Kam Bijer, Krishna Upasana hoite thake. If you really do it. পুরুষ বা স্ত্রী, স্থাবর বা জঙ্গম, সকলকেই সেই সর্বচিত্তাকর্ষক মন্মথ স্বরূপ কৃষ্ণ আকর্ষণ করে থাকে। পুরুষ means male, or স্ত্রী means female, স্থাবর means material, jangam, স্থাবর means material, jangam means just like a whatever, স্থাবর জঙ্গম all are material. সকলকেই সেই সর্বচিত্তাকর্ষক, everybody's chitta attraction to who is attracting, everybody's chitta, mind, heart, everything. So who is this? Manmatha Sarup Krishna. Manmatha Sarup Krishna. That Krishna, which everybody's mind, who is charming, is very naughty. But if it is charming like milk, if it's charming, then it can dahi, charming, appear the cream, then you can make butter. Milk have everything. Milk, milk inside have ghee, you can inside have butter, you can inside have curd, everything there. But need to some process. Similarly, we have everything called quality, but we need to charming. How? The Sadhu Sanghas Association. We should perform it like Kam Bij, Kam Gayatri or chanting. Whatever Srila Krishna Das Kabir Gai Goswami says, Krishna mantra hote samsara mochon. So Krishna mantra means Kam Gayatri, Kam Bij. You chant, then you can see, you can gradually feel all are like a not eternal. It is not going to help me. Actually, it is binding me, materially bind me to be here. So I like to remove all my attachment. Gradually, you can feel that. Therefore, পুরুষ বা স্ত্রী স্থাবর বা জঙ্গম সকলকেই সেই স্বাভাবিক চিত্তাকর্ষক মন্মত স্বরূপ কৃষ্ণ আকর্ষণ করিয়া থাকেন. If you just chanting that upasana. Upasana means chanting this Kam Bij and Kam Gayatri. I don't like to pronounce that Kam Bij, Kam Gayatri because only the restricted person can chant who has second initiation. Sarva Chitra Karsak, who is attracting all chitta, everybody chitta, and charming the chitta, whatever dark things are there. You are staining, because staining chittas, whatever dark, staining that, charming time. That Krishna mantra, Kam Gayatri, staining, charming, or chitta, then gradually make us feel attraction towards Krishna. Kam Gayatri 24 অক্ষরে একটি বেদ মন্ত্র বিশেষ. কাম বীজ কৃষ্ণোপাসনা যে বীজ জপিত হয় তাহাই কাম গায়ত্রী 24.5 অক্ষর, 24.5 syllable, one Veda mantra. কাম বীজ কৃষ্ণোপাসনা যে বীজ জপিত হয় তাহাই. Krishna means Krishna's pastimes, or if you want to involve, you want to join, that Kam Bij will allow you to do that. Means, that's what I told you, that's Radha Lingita Vikro, Radha Chumbita Vikro, gopis surrounding, Radha Govindo, everything there. If you have, who got the second initiation about the Kam Bij, with the Kam Bij, they can have the understanding if they chant not 10 or 12 times. 10, 12 times, I don't know how long it will take, but if you chant at least one round, means separate chanting beat a chant, Kam Bij one round, Kam Gayatri one round. If you are able to chant minimum 4 rounds, one round, then you extend gradually 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you can see all like a surrounding, whatever going on. Which we are quarreling amongst each other with material gain. It will not affect you anything. Losing or gaining, it will not affect you anything. Jai Ho. Anyway, so Prabhupada's description we will explain you tomorrow. Prabhupada's commentary, just Bhaktivinoda commentary, I read it. Just read, and Prabhupada's commentary is too big in this context. Anyhow, today I don't have time. It is 2.5 pages of Prabhupada's commentary. So it is Sanskrit, mixing Bengali. I will do it tomorrow. Hare Krishna.